Here's a quick example on how to solve a system of equations using graphing. So I'm going to look at the system that's given here, and this first line, I know it's a line because it's in the form of y equals mx plus b. I'm going to use my red pen for that, and I'm going to identify my slope and my y-intercept. So my slope is 1/4, and my y-intercept is 2. So I'm going to go over the coordinate plane and put a point on positive 2, and I'm going to count my slope by going up 1, because that's in the positive direction, and right 4. So up 1, right 4 units, and I'm going to do it again. Up 1, right 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units, or down 1, left 4 units. Down 1, left 4 units. And it's a good idea to kind of extend it until the end of your coordinate plane. And I'm going to connect these points with a straight line. I suggest using a ruler and put arrows on either end of your line. Now, I'm going to graph the second line, and I'm going to use blue for my second one. My second one has a negative slope, so I already know it's going to be a downhill line. My m is -2, and my b is -7. So I'm going to change my slope to a fraction by putting -2 over 1. This tells me I'm going down 2 and right 1. So on my coordinate plane, I'm going to count down to 7, right here. And from this, I'm going to go down 2, right 1. And I've already reached the edge of my coordinate plane, so I'm going to back this up and go up to left 1, up to left 1, and I'm just going to keep counting until I can see exactly where these two lines meet or intersect. I'm going to connect these blue points with a nice straight line. And again, put arrows on either end of your line. And I'm going to really emphasize the point at which these two lines intersect, because this is the point that both lines have in common. So it is the one ordered pair that satisfies both equations. So I'm reminding you over here that there are 3 scenarios that could happen. We have the scenario where there is exactly one solution, so don't do all that work and then forget to name it. This ordered pair goes left 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's -4 and up 1. -4, 1 is the solution to this system.